Unmatched Aviation, the channel where we take you into the future of transportation, exploring the most advanced cars, airplanes, and even luxury motorhomes that redefine performance and design. Today, we are diving into a truly extraordinary creation, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome RV, known worldwide for producing some of the fastest and most desirable supercars. From the outside, the Ferrari Motorhome RV makes a commanding statement. Kate's exterior design follows the same DNA as Ferrari's supercars, with flowing aerodynamics, bold, sculpted surfaces, and a front fascia inspired by models like the SF90 Stradale. The signature Ferrari grille is present, with sleek LED matrix headlights integrated seamlessly into the bodywork. The RV rides on massive lightweight alloy wheels designed for both performance and style, while the sides feature smooth lines that help airflow move efficiently across its long frame. The iconic Ferrari red finish is an option, but buyers can customize with exclusive shades from Ferrari's color catalog. At the rear, aerodynamic fins, quad exhausts, and an aggressive stance make it unlike any other motorhome on the road. Step inside and you enter a world of pure Italian luxury. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome RV has an interior that feels like a private villa on wheels, designed with the same level of detail as Ferrari's finest Grand Tours. Leather, sourced from Ferrari's exclusive suppliers, covers the seats, walls, and dashboard, while carbon fiber and Alcantara accents bring sportiness to the cabin. The driver's cockpit is futuristic, featuring a digital Ferrari instrument cluster with customizable driving modes, a performance-inspired steering wheel, and advanced infotainment seamlessly connected to the rest of the vehicle. The living area is expansive, with an open layout that maximizes space. Ferrari has equipped the RV with a luxury lounge that includes electronically adjustable recliner seats, a widescreen OLED entertainment system, ambient LED lighting, and a premium surround sound system from Bang & Olufsen. The kitchen area is equally impressive, offering a full-size refrigerator, induction cooking surfaces, marble countertops, and smart storage solutions. Everything is automated, with touch controls and even voice command integration that makes daily use seamless. The bedroom in the Ferrari Motorhome RV is a true highlight, featuring a king-size bed with memory foam and Ferrari-stitched linens. Large panoramic windows offer breathtaking views, while privacy glass and blackout functions ensure restful nights. The bathroom feels more like a luxury spa, fitted with rainfall, showers, heated floors, and premium fittings. Ferrari has even included climate control systems throughout the interior, ensuring perfect temperature no matter where you travel. Performance is where Ferrari refuses to compromise, even in a motorhome. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome RV is powered by a hybrid V8 powertrain producing over 750 horsepower, delivering acceleration and speed far beyond any traditional motorhome. Despite its size, it can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, making it the fastest RV ever created. Paired with an advanced dual-clutch automatic transmission and Ferrari's cutting-edge all-wheel drive system, provides stability and control in all conditions. Adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride on highways while still offering dynamic handling on winding roads. Fuel efficiency is improved thanks to the hybrid system, with electric mono mode allowing short city drives without using fuel. Regenerative braking adds to efficiency, and multiple drive modes let the driver switch between performance and comfort settings. Ferrari has even incorporated active aerodynamics with movable panels that optimize airflow and reduce drag when cruising at high speeds. Safety and technology are top priorities as well. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome RV comes with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and collision avoidance technology. A full 360-degree camera system makes parking and maneuvering effortless, while radar sensors and assisted driving help ensure safe travel in any environment. Connectivity is also advanced with high-speed internet integration, satellite communications, and smart home features that let you control lighting, temperature, and entertainment from your smartphone or tablet. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome RV is more than just transportation. It is a lifestyle statement. It is designed for those who want the freedom of traveling while experiencing the luxury, performance that only Ferrari can deliver. Whether parked at a private villa in the hills of Italy, cruising across European highways, or making a statement at a luxury resort, this RV stands as a symbol of success and innovation. What sets this motorhome apart from others is Ferrari's philosophy of blending performance with elegance. While most motorhomes focus solely on comfort, Ferrari ensures that driving remains an unforgettable part of the experience. Owners will feel the same thrill behind the wheel of this RV as they do in Ferrari's road cars, all while enjoying the comforts of a luxury penthouse on wheels. As we conclude this in-depth review of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome RV, it is clear that this is not just a vehicle, but a revolution in the motorhome industry. It redefines what a luxury RV can be, combining breathtaking performance, futuristic technology, and the finest Italian craftsmanship into one complete package. Thank you for joining us here at CK Skybound Aviation for this detailed look into the specs, features, and performance of the Ferrari Motorhome RV.